This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mrs. Brzozowski. They call me Mrs. B here at Fraser High School, and I teach computer science principles, AP computer science principles, hybrid coding, and Java fundamentals. One of the first things that I'd like to talk about is the pathway in the computer science field during your time here at Fraser High School. I mentioned it as a ninth grader, but you can take this as in any grade that you like. We start off with hybrid coding in the first semester, Java fundamentals in the second semester, and those combinations both create a one-year course, following by AP computer science principles, which is also a year-long course. The units of study for these courses that I teach include AP Computer Science. I use code.org's curriculum, and we cover things like digital info, the internet, lists, loops, traversals, algorithms. We do a create performance task, data, and even some cybersecurity. In the hybrid coding and Java fundamentals courses, we are going to be using the project STEM from Amazon curriculum in order to cover some of the things that we need to learn, including numbers and number calculations and data, repetition and loops, some programming in EarSketch, graphics, functions, arrays, and internet, and of course, careers in computer science. In regards to the basics and how things are run in the class, we use a web-based environment to learn the skills. I also have the students, even though we're face-to-face, use the GoToMeeting, and during that time we will share screens, or they'll watch me and follow along with me, and or sometimes I just let them go and I walk around the room and take care of the students individually. I mean, I can do it individually too with the GoToMeeting, but yeah. But the bottom line is I also try to teach some life skills and some executive function skills along with the technical skills that are presented in the class. The learning environments, like I said, APCSP, we're going to use code.org as well as codehs.com. For hybrid coding, which is first semester, we'll be using some code.org and Project STEM, and you don't have to have any experience in coding to take these courses, by the way. And then second semester Java fundamentals, we're going to continue with Project STEM and maybe a little bit of Cisco if we have time. Our grading scale here for Fraser High School in regards to CTE is a 70% or higher to show that you are competent and are a master of the content material that's provided. And our grading scales is slightly different than the core classes here, where we have 89.45 to 100 is considered an A, and not just an A, it's a solid A. We don't do pluses or minuses in this scale. So 79.45 to 89.44 is a B, and so on. But anything below a 70 is considered novice, and we need to work on becoming a master at this content. Fraser High School also, CTE program has the advisory committees in these categories. If you are interested in participating or know somebody in industry, we would love to have them join. And the purpose of having these advisory committees is to help us know what's happening out there in the real world and out in industry. What are the latest trends? And this is our way to communicate and make sure that we bring it back to the classroom. We are using Canvas for our learning management system here at Fraser. And here's some information about me. My email, I do have Smart Every Day. I also sometimes contact students via Remind, so if you're interested in joining that too, you're welcome. Well, thanks for listening. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.